Hey, what is up guys? Welcome to FNH Tech Tutorials. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix this Roblox 503 service unavailable error that you guys sometimes get. I know I've seen this a couple times. So mainly the error comes up Roblox 503 service unavailable, no server is available, right? Or some issues along those lines. All right, it's a really simple solution, right? What you want to do is open up your browser, whichever browser you use to play Roblox on, right? I have Google Chrome open. You want to go click this drop down, go to settings. Even if you're using another browser, this is very similar on most browsers, so you should be able to easily find it. All right, so once you're over here, you want to go to privacy and security and click clear browsing data. All right, now over here you'll see my browsing history, cookies, and site data, cached images and files, and you want to do of all time. Okay, you can try hour. If that doesn't work, you can try 24 hours and just keep going until all times. But once you do all times, it should solve this error after you restart your computer, right? And the reason this error does happen is because sometimes just some corrupted file or something just gets saved on your browser that's incorrect, right? And you just need your browser to refresh that file, but since it's saved, it's cached, right? Like an older version is cached, so it doesn't get the latest version. It's trying to get the old one that's already messed up, so it just keeps getting that. So we want to just clear that out and make sure whenever we load the website, we want to get the fresh new data that's from the website. All right, so yeah, after you do this, clear the data, restart your computer, everything should work. All right, so if you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I'd love to help you guys out more. Other than that, FNH out. Peace.